Kaze.
Yeah, so we are live. We'll just wait for others to just join in the session so that we can start taking in queries that they've got. Yeah, so we'll just take this time to talk about the various integrations that we've released. We're waiting for a few individuals to join in so that we can take in their queries and explain them how to use Nexweave. But as most of you must have seen, we've launched about 25 plus platforms as integrations within the platform. Our goal is to get to this number up to 50, and that should be done by the end of this quarter. Uh, I would urge you guys to go ahead and try out the integration with your favorite platforms. Let us know if you've got any feedback or if there's something that we've not explored that you want us to add in, and we can go and do the needful. In the meanwhile, we are planning to have sessions like these probably on a fortnightly basis, where we'll be coming live for an hour and we'll be taking in requests from you guys in terms of what do you want us to build for you. So consider this as an open consulting ground where you can come up with your queries, show us what platforms you're using, explain your use case, and then our team will help you create that particular campaign or that experience so that you can use it within your own business. Great. So in the meanwhile, Ashutosh, do you want to talk about some of the things that we're going to be releasing now, especially pertaining to website personalization?
Correct. So the next thing that will be coming up very quickly is website personalization. So where what will happen is user would be just coming up, entering the website name that he wants to personalize it, embed a script into his website, and just using a Chrome extension, new Chrome extension, then they will be able to personalize the entire web page. So they can personalize text, they can personalize images, and then they will be able to even personalize the videos in that. So like you don't need to have any knowledge about any of the tools, any programming apart from just Nextweave Chrome plugin. So this is what
Perfect.
will be coming up, and this should be available by the end of this month.
So that's something else for you guys to look forward to. We've got Lewis who's joined us. Lewis, just give me a thumbs up and I'll add you to the stream. Perfect.
Hi.
Hi, Lewis.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Hey, hi Louis.
Yeah, how are you guys doing?
You're
Good,
doing
good.
good.
How are you doing?
Great, great. Yes, I stuck at the. Just I got spoken to ASCII regarding the WAPI.
Hmm.
The connection from, I mean, the video is not working yet because it need rendering, right?
So can you just explain us what is it that you're trying to do?
Um, what I need to do is just
And you can share your screen and show us what you've been trying to do so that we can understand better.
sure, 1 second, huh?
Let me know when you want us to share your screen.
Sure, 1 second. All right. Okay.
Do you want me to share a screen?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. From actually, what I need is from Google Sheet. That's mean the data that we captured from the orders, and then you go to Google Sheet. And when go to Google Sheet, the trigger is starting from Google Sheet when new rows coming in. So what I need is uh, Google Sheet, and then we get the data of the customers or the clients, and we get the name so that we get to personalize the image or the videos. But right now, the video I think is no problem, but I get the problem is the video.
So are you able to send the image right now?
I mean the image.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, 1 second.
It'll help if you can actually show what you've managed to do so far, and share what is the exact point you're getting stuck on, so that we can help you troubleshoot that piece.
All right. 1 second. Let me open up. Is the
Meanwhile, when while Louis is sharing his screen and coming up with the use case, I'll just share a quick video what we have created for the for the website personalization. I'll just share my screen and show. So are you able to see my screen?
one
Sundar?
second.
Yes, Ashutosh, your screen is visible.
Yeah. So this is just a sample website that has been created. So this is a video, and once the Chrome plugin is activated, there's a list of campaigns that will be populated, which you can pick to personalize your website. So it can have images, it can have videos, it can have text. So I'll just play this. So once you select it and use it, you can forward to any of the text which is written over there. Suppose it was just welcome username or any other text. You can just replace it what is the new text you want it to be. And now if you want to change the image, just go over the image and what all campaigns that you have selected, and so whatever images which we have in those campaigns, that would be populated, and then you can check it over here, and that's done. So when next time when the user comes up, he will be able to see the completely personalized website.
So, guys, that's a early glimpse of the website personalization experience. We'll be rolling it out by the end of the month, and we'll have a detailed demo on how to use that particular piece as well. In the meanwhile, Louis, if you're ready with your example, we can stream that and start working on it.
1 second. Yeah, I access to my Pabbly now.
So for those of you who are watching, we'll be taking in 4 requests in this particular session, starting with the one that Louis has bought in. So we already have inputs from 3 of you. Akshay said he's going to be joining in. Then Louis, and we have I think Omar joining in the session. We have one more slot available. So if you've got any use case that you want us to cover, just let us know in the comments, and we'll pull you as soon as Louis is done with his use case.
So Adun has mentioned a question like he needs some use case videos. So Is it like, are you asking for a use case from our end, or is there a particular use case that you have created and you want to have a video created for that? So if you can just help us with more details regarding the question, we can help you with the same. Arun. Okay. So we have created a couple
Okay.
of use cases video. Okay. So Lewis, yeah. So Arun will just answer a question once Lewis is done. So we'll share what all videos we have, the uses that we have made, and we have few of them even published on our YouTube channel, and we will share other use cases as well that we have created.
So
So
jumping
Lewis, yeah.
to Lewis's requirement. So Lewis, whenever you're ready, I'm going to share your screen. Lewis, are you ready?
Maybe we can take another question till then. In the
Yeah. So I think depending on who wants to have another use case taken in, we can have those kind of discussions. There's another question from the Facebook user whether we intend to use custom. So we already have plans which include custom domains depending on what stack you bought. Uh, so for those of you who've taken the agency plan, there's an option to access your agency accounts and change in a lot of the features over there. For those of you who've not taken it, we've got an option of a one-time upgrade for $99. You can use that one to get access to one custom domain for your
Yeah.
image and video links.
Hi Cody.
Yes, I think Lewis is facing some difficulties with his call.
Hmm.
So, guys, we'll be keeping this on for another 15 minutes. Uh, if anyone else has any issues that they want to help resolve in this particular session, just join in and we'll take in your queries. And this session is meant for you guys. We'll be having a separate round of discussion on the updates, etc., etc. So as long as there are queries coming in, we'll be addressing them. So Omar is here. Omar, just give us a thumbs up whenever you're ready, and we'll stream you in. Shall we add you to the stream, Omar? Okay, here we go.
Hey guys,
Hey Omar, how are you doing?
what's going on? You okay? Sorry for being late.
No worries at all.
Voice.
Yes. So what is the question that you had? What is the use case that you wanted us to cover?
My use case basically will be I run a service for clients, very simple service. It's just local brick and mortar stores who are trying to go online, and I just set up simple processes for them, like email, follow up, all of the simple stuff that most businesses use. The thing is, when they go to my website, which is currently under reconstruction, they book. So a new client will have the ability to book a call, like a half an hour strategy call with me. As soon as the strategy call gets booked, I then want to send him an email with his name to say, or his or her name, or a video to say, thank you for signing up, blah, blah, blah. Just basic stuff like that.
And what is it that you're using for booking the meetings? Is it a Calendly?
It's Zoom,
subscription?
Zoom.ai.
Got it. And is there a thank you page or an email being sent out right now from Zoom.ai?
No, at the moment, my service is down. I'm only working with the clients that I've got, but everything's kind of being rebranded at the moment, so nothing's up. I haven't got a website up. I've got nothing up at the moment. But this is just me just learning how to use it. So going forward, it's pretty straightforward then.
Perfect. So Ashutosh, maybe we can just check if Zoom.ai is there on the Pabbly store. In the meanwhile, Omar, just for your understanding, the way the platform works is that irrespective of what booking platform you're taking into consideration, if the booking session is going to accept inputs like the name or the email address, etc., you can pull in those details and pass it to our system so that it can create either an image or a video. And then if you need, that image can be sent over an email or the video can be on the thank you page, the same way we had shown the Calendly experience. So we've not tried it out with Zoom.ai as yet, but we can have a look at that particular platform and see how that can also be orchestrated.
Okay.
So I'm just curious. Yeah, go ahead, Ashutosh.
Yeah. So did you get a chance to check the video that we had created using Pabbly for the meeting request acknowledgement using Calendly?
No, I've not seen that video. No.
Okay. So I'll just I'm just sharing in the private chat. If you can just add this in the comment. So this is the video.
Yeah, sure.
You can just put it over there. So Omar, so in this video, I'll just explain what is happening. Is we are using Pabbly. We have used Pabbly and we have used Nexweave. So which automation platform do you have? Do you have any?
Connexit.
Yeah, Connexit, right. It works fine with Connexit as well. So when Connexit also, you can do the same thing. I'll just explain what we had done with Pabbly. Is you can just add the webhook into the Pabbly one, which is used for meeting Calendly, and then once the meeting request is booked, the call will go to the Nexweave APIs, and from there will be an API Nexweave experience that will be generated, and then the same is sent over the desired email platform. So in the example here, we have used Gmail. So in case you're using any other platform, you can use that as well. So even Connexit has a lot of email and platform on there integrated in that space. So that shouldn't be an issue.
Okay, yeah. I think, like, in theory, it all makes sense. Even when I watch the videos, it seems so simple. But then when you're actually doing it, it can get a little complicated.
Okay.
So nonetheless, I think, Ashutosh, what we can do is we can have a look at Zoom.ai. And so you want to use it with Zoom.ai with Connexit. And what is the email platform that you want to use?
At the moment, I'm using MailPoet.
Okay.
MailPoet, yeah.
So we just make a note of that. So we'll probably share an example on how you can use it with Connexit and Zoom.ai. And the mail goes from MailPoet.
Yeah.
Perfect, Omar. So give us a day or two. We'll probably either write an article or make a video on this particular use case.
Okay. Just to say, I think the platform is great. I just want to learn how to use it fully because I fully stacked out on the code. So I've got the agency plan because I know going forward, like automation and personalization, they're going to be huge. If I can learn how to use this, being in the UK with how the businesses work here, I'm sure I can make a lot of money from this, but I just need to learn. I can't take on clients unless I'm comfortable with the platform, and unless I fully know how to use it. because if they do encounter any problems, they come to me and I'll be like, oh, hold on, let me get hold of Inder or Ashutosh. It doesn't work like that, does it? That's not how you do business. So, I'm really eager to learn, and I know you've said you're going to be doing more stuff for your YouTube channel, so I look forward to that as well.
Absolutely. So this was an experiment. We wanted to see how people will join in and start sharing their use cases. We'll probably do this once a week along with the other sessions that we're doing. And the whole idea would be that if you can share the use cases in advance, we'll probably have them prepared and we can show the audiences how it's done. Or we'll take in use cases and then show them in the next session. So
Okay.
I've taken note of the use case that you've got. I'll only request you to be available for the next session as well, so that when we're showing it, you're available to also give us a thumbs up that yes, this is what I want.
Yeah, no, absolutely. That's absolutely fine. Yeah.
Perfect, Omar. So I think Lewis has also joined in. If you would allow me, I'll just add him onto the stream, and then we can probably catch up later once the use case is ready.
Hi.
Hey,
Sorry for
Lewis.
the interruption. Yeah.
No worries at all.
And as my use case, I do mention it's very simple. Just a trigger from Google Sheet, a new row created. Okay, with the details. Then the details will be like from the name will be sent to Nexweave and generate the image or videos.
Okay.
Okay, and then send to the customer, and with the message that we personalize it. That's it.
How will the message be sent? Would it be an email or would it be?
WhatsApp, because most of the open rate here in my country is best on mobile WhatsApp, so the email is not so um,
Got it.
efficient. Yeah. So
And
that's
how
why
does
I
the
focus on that.
and you're using WAPI for sending the WhatsApp messages, if I'm correct?
Yeah, I'm still testing it, and just now I try to while you guys talking just now, I test it again, but unfortunately I can't download it. So maybe you guys can have a look on my screen. Let me share it.
Sure.
Sure.
Lewis, you're on mute.
Okay, please share it.
Have you shared your screen?
Did
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Okay, if you look at this, okay, I just test it out, so I just directly get the image from Nextweave,
Hmm.
and I just put the template here, and I um, do it like this. Okay.
Yeah, I think, can you just scroll up first for the
Okay.
first
Sure.
tab? Yeah,
Sure.
yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Just,
Is it this one?
yeah, even up. Yeah. So
Okay.
you've not added the trigger for the Google Sheet.
Pardon
Have you
me.
added? Have you added Sheet, Google Sheet? That's what you want to get triggers from, right?
Yeah, but for this moment, I just want to make sure it
Okay.
works. So I didn't set the trigger from Google
Okay.
Sheet. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Okay. And
This is,
after that, I just share you
you don't
my
need data transformer, so you don't
yeah.
need that.
I just now I try to let me send it again. You mean which one I don't need it?
Yeah, you can
Oh,
delete
you mean
it
this
because,
one?
yeah,
You mean
yeah,
this
you
one,
can delete
right?
it. Yeah, you can delete this one. Like,
Okay, it just directly using um I'm choosing WAPI and then send dynamic image. I set it. I just test it on my number, my WhatsApp
oh,
number, and all right. Let me see. This is the message. I don't want to image. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got a message. Okay. But unfortunately, I'm not sure why I can't download it.
Can you just check on your mobile? You can switch back to mobile and check if you're able to see it in mobile.
Sure, 1 second. Let me check it out. Ah, okay. My mobile is working, yeah. But in my
Oh,
yeah, my WhatsApp web, I mean my apps here not working. Yeah.
okay. Maybe you can just close. Okay. So are you able to get the personalization element inserted over there? You're on mute. Luis, you're on mute. Luis, yeah.
All
Oh,
right. Sorry for that. Okay.
oh,
Because I just now I talked with Ashki,
oh,
and he mentioned that this one the video is not available in Wapi yet. Is it
correct.
true?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so these
yeah,
are
Akshay,
not
go ahead.
rendered. Yeah, so right now these are not rendered videos. These are just video links that is shared. So once we make that feature available in future, where for each of the variables there's a rendered videos, only then you will be able to send as a MP4 file. As of now, it would be just go as a link, which can have a social preview in it, and then once the user clicks on that link, he will be directed to a landing page. It can be his landing page or even our own hosted landing page.
Okay.
So in fact, this is something that I wanted to address with others as well. There have been more queries on this regard that we are not able to send videos through messaging apps. Uh, so the way the platform has been structured right now, uh, we are delivering videos that are also interactive, and that will only work in an HTML supported environment.
Mm.
So for the time being, you can only send images over WhatsApp, or for that matter, channels like LinkedIn as well. But if you want to send someone a video, it will have to be a link, and we're giving you the option to change the social preview of the link. So when you send a message on LinkedIn, the link will have an image preview that's personalized. Same way, right now for WhatsApp, we've not really tried it that much, but uh, the square icon that you see, which is the social preview for a particular link, that's something that you can personalize. But you won't be able to send videos as such within WhatsApp or any other chat platform until they start supporting HTML formats.
Mm. I got it. I got it. So unfortunate, I can't use it on video. Yeah. Right.
Correct. For the timing, you can use it with images. For videos, it will be just links that you need to take them to a separate landing page.
Understood. Maybe we will try with the image first because what I foresee in future very likely the the interactions. I mean, most of the interactions of purchasing because I'm doing e-com. So when in future, very likely they're using mobiles. So now I believe now even now already 70% of the purchase happening on the mobiles. So
Mm.
You're on
sorry,
mute.
yeah, I mute. Yeah. So every time right now, 100% of my customers is from Shopee. If you guys know about Shopee, right? I believe you
How do you
guys
spell that?
Shopee. Let me type it out. Shopee. In Southeast Asia, this is one of the um, top e-com here. So
Okay.
what I'm using now is I get the data from the email, I parse it, and then I send it to the Google Sheet, and after that I send the personalized message to the customer, so that they notify them their order is received by us, so that we can continue and we nurture them and communicate and connecting with the customer via WhatsApp at this moment instead of email because I noticed that they in Shopee or in Lazada, if let's say you heard about Lazada in Southeast Asia, they didn't use much on email. They're mostly
Mm.
using mobile. Even to access the account, they're using the mobile numbers. So that's why I have to use the WhatsApp as the medium here to do the marketing or the follow up and personalized email or message sent to them via the WhatsApp.
Got it. So Ashutosh, maybe we can have a look at one more way of doing this.
Hmm.
When the order trigger hits, we can send them a personalized image followed by another personalized link. So there are two messages being sent out on one trigger.
Hmm.
So they can have a look at the image. We can have the image saying that click on the link below to have a look at your video. And that's how we can have them routed to that particular experience.
Yeah, for the I think for the time being, I think that is a workaround. That's workaround. Yeah.
Perfect. So we'll try and have an example of that setup as well.
Yeah, and for my our website, because website on the website most of them they were using email because I'm running on WooCommerce WordPress at the moment, and that one we connect with the Musen. So my team try to figure out. I think this just on this afternoon, and yeah, they managed to connect the Nexweave and Musen using the method that
Awesome.
you guys share. Yeah. So that one is fine. But currently, most of our numbers right coming from the marketplace, the Shopee or Lazada. So that's why you have to customize and capture the.
You're on mute. Lucy, you're on mute. You're on mute.
Oh, okay. Sorry, man. Yeah, because we need to connect with the customer through the marketplace, the customer from using mobile. So that's the only way for now. Yeah.
So what we'll do is we've understood your use case. Shopee is one of them. Which is the other one? Can you just type in that?
Sure, sure.
The,
I type Lazada. Yeah, sure. This is the top two in my country. Yeah.
got it.
Okay. So if let's say, because at this moment, I think in Malaysia, in my country, they don't. Nobody is doing what I'm doing right now. Try to send a personalized message directly to the customer uh,
Hmm.
from the data that we get from the Shopee. Yeah. So that's
So
why
now,
if we can, yeah, please.
yeah, yeah. So I just today in the afternoon discussed with Akshay from Vapi, and I think they have come up with webhooks, right? So they have come up with webhooks where webhooks can be there, and the new thing that they're adding is webhooks from directly from Google Sheet. I think that would be coming up very quickly from their end, and from there, then you'll be able to send next week experience directly, and also we'll be integrating with Vapi so very quickly. So from our platform only, you'll be able to download sheets and send in bulk using Vapi platform.
Oh, and okay, great. And how about if let's say we're using because I'm also a customer of Huawei Plus. So is it possible we can send the video base sorry using the base 64?
So we'll try that out. So the base, so they don't allow this apart from text anything else. So that's the only option of converting the entire video into base 64 format and then sending it to it. So that is something that we'll check it out. So
Right.
that will require some platform, either like a Pabli or Connexet, where they are converting into base 64.
All right, cool guys. I think I'm only things that I'm the only things concern me that is using it on the social media messenger. So yeah, that's all.
So in social media messages, even if you just have a video link which you will share, that those can be personalized. Maybe in the if you can just share one of them over here
All right.
and
Yeah, let me see.
ping it
Uh,
to Louis on Facebook.
what you mean on the Facebook?
Sorry.
I'm didn't use it on Facebook, but mostly I'm do it on the messengers apps.
Okay.
You mean like WhatsApp, Viber, and all? Lewis, you're on mute once again.
Yeah, mute again. Yeah, is on WhatsApp actually. Yeah, because I think in my country is 98% or 99% of the people is having WhatsApp in their phone. So yeah.
So I think let's test out this particular example where we have a personalized image followed by a link for the time being. I think that's going to be the most organic we can do it. And
Sure.
we'll discuss internally in terms of whether or not we can include videos in the sequences as well.
Yeah, sure. If let's say because I heard Ashki say that you guys might be able to do it for the video rendering on by the end of the year. Is it true?
So to be honest, technically it can be done. In the past, that's a sequence that we started with. We'll only have to understand how many of you guys require something like that. Because the way the plans are also structured, they're around the fact that we'll have on-demand video, not rendered video. Rendered video is going to be relatively costlier than what we're doing right now.
Ah,
So
Also,
if
if
there's
you're rendering any video, sorry, Inder, yeah. So the
yeah,
thing is, if you're rendering any video, those videos won't be personalized instantly. So if you choose
mm,
any of the platform, it takes a while, like a minute or two, based on the length of the video and the payload, the video which is there, the graphic or media elements which are there. So the time may vary, but with this interactive video, with the HTML5 video, all the videos are almost in near time. So they are all real time videos. So that is the benefit of having this type of HTML5 videos rather than the native videos.
understood. Understood. Let's see how it works on in
Cool.
future then. So I think that's all for me today. Anything
Cool.
else you guys would like to share?
no, perfect. I think we've got your use case. We've got Omar's use case as well. Uh, and we've just crossed the 45-minute mark as well. So thank you for joining in.
Sure.
I'm glad we had this experiment. We had 2 use cases coming in. We'll keep repeating this every week. And yeah, hopefully in a couple of days, we'll be coming back to you with how this particular use case can be implemented.
Sure. All right. Awesome. So then I have to go then. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Louis. Take care.
Bye bye.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. So we had 2 use cases covered today. Uh, we'll probably figure out a model of working where we can take in these inputs from you in advance so that we can have these examples ready upfront. There are a few comments which have come in over here. One of them is from Arun, who is asking if the $99 plan is going to be available for lifetime members. So yes, the $99 plan would be available for the lifetime members till the 31st of October, like we mentioned. The only thing is that the discount codes are going to be expiring today. Today is the last day for the lifetime deal. So if you are intending to grab them, go ahead and take the benefit of the 20% discount. Caleb says he's loving the 3D warping feature. Caleb, you can do that for text as well as images. So try them out. We have some templates also available that are demonstrating that piece. And with that, we've covered all the comments. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys saw value in this particular session. If you think we should be doing this more often, just let us know in the comments. And then we'll probably include at least one slot every week or once a fortnight where we can take in these requests and show you guys how to run your own experiences. Take care, guys, and
Thanks.
keep
Bye.
experimenting. Bye.
Bye bye.